Hello friends, I am Rashmi Singh and welcome to my channel Unraveling Science. होप आप सबको मेरा चैनल पसंद आ रहा होगा। आप सबके लिए एक गुड न्यूज़ लाई हूँ कि अब मेरे चैनल पे क्लास 9th और क्लास 10th के कंप्लीट वीडियो कोर्सेज विद ऑल द चैप्टर्स एंड द सॉल्यूशंस आर अवेलेबल, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक इन देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग प्लेलिस्ट and stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you for all your support and please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Solutions for Sound, Class 8, Chapter 10. Choose the correct answer. First, sound can travel through A. Gases only, B. Solids only, C. Liquids only, or D. Solid, liquid and gases. The correct answer is D. Solid, liquid and gases. Second, voices of which of the following is likely to have a minimum frequency? A. Baby girl, B. Baby boy, C. A man, or D. A woman. The correct answer is a man. State true or false. A. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. It is true. The number of oscillations per second of a vibrating object is called its time period. This is false. If the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound is feeble. It is also false. D. For human ears, the audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It is true. E. The lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. That is false. F. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music. That is also false. G. Noise pollutions may cause partial hearing impairment. That is true. Filling the blanks with suitable words. A. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called dash. The answer is time period. B. Loudness is determined by the dash of vibration. The answer is amplitude of vibration. C. The unit of frequency is dash. The answer is hertz. D. Unwanted sound is called dash. The answer is noise. E. Shrillness of a sound is determined by the dash of vibration. The answer is frequency of vibration. Fifth, a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. Here the given time is 4 seconds and number of oscillations is 40. We know that frequency is the number of oscillations per unit time. That means F is equals to N by T. Now putting the values, 40 by 4 is equals to 10 Hz. Similarly, time period is the time required to complete one oscillation. It is the inverse of frequency. That means T is equals to 1 by F. Putting the values, 1 by 10 is equals to 0.1 seconds. Sixth, the sound from the mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wing at an average rate of 500 vibrations per second. What is the time period of the vibrations? We know that time period is equals to 1 upon frequency. So putting the values, 1 upon 500 is equals to 0.002 seconds. Seventh, identify the part which vibrates to produce the sound in the following instruments. First is dholak. The part is stretched membrane or head. Second is sitar, strings. Third is flute, air column. Eighth, what is the difference between noise and music? Can music become noise sometimes? Noise is an unpleasant sound which is the result of irregular vibrations, while music is an organized sound which is pleasant to hear. Yes, music can sometimes become noise when it is played at a very high volume on loudspeakers. Ninth, list sources of noise pollution in your surroundings. The major sources of noise pollutions are: first, horns of vehicles, loudspeakers or crackers, televisions and transistor radio at high volumes, then sound of machineries and kitchen appliances, and also the sound of construction work. 10th, explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to humans. Noise pollution is harmful to humans as it may cause many health-related problems like insomnia, hypertension, headache, stress, and may even lead to loss of hearing. 11th, your parents are going to buy a house. They have been offered one on the roadside and another 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which house would you suggest your parents should buy? Explain your answer. I would suggest that the house which is 3 lanes away from the roadside, because it would be quieter than the one at the roadside due to all the noise coming from the vehicles on the road. 12th, sketch the larynx and explain its function in your own words. So here is the sketch. Larynx is the part of the throat. It moves when we swallow something. There are 2 vocal cords inside the larynx. The air passes through a small gap between them. The lungs forces the air into the space when we speak, and this vibrates the vocal cord, resulting in the production of sound. That is why it is also known as sound box. 13. Lightning and thunder takes place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and the thunder is heard later. Can you explain why? The speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. Due to this, light reaches us faster than the sound. That is why during lightning, we see the streak of lightning earlier and then hear the sound of the thunder. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.